Hi class, this is your professor Lisa Gleich. I'm going to take a moment to briefly go over the syllabus because I know more questions will come up each week. I'm going to post a short video each week describing the expectations of each week and clarifying assignments even further as needed. So first, let's talk about the dates of this class. This class is going to be offered from March 12th to May 5th. Make sure you look at that last week for due dates of assignments because sometimes they change a little bit that last week of the class. So the two textbooks you're going to need for this class, the first is the Crane textbook, Theories of Development, Concepts and Applications, and the Hutchinson textbook, Dimensions of Human Behavior, the Changing Life course. I'm going to take a moment to describe the course assignments to you. The first course assignment is a discussion forum. Discussion forums are in every online class, but they are presented a little bit different in each class. So I am going to go over how our class is going to do discussion forums. So each week, you're going to be given the possibility of 3 or 4 discussion forum questions. You will be expected to answer 2 of those questions with an initial answer post. So your initial answer post will be to 2 of those questions. Each of those answers will be worth 2 points each for a total of 4 points. In addition to that, you will respond to a classmate's post for 1 more point. So every week, you can get a possibility of 5 points from the discussion forum questions. Each of these answers, both your initial answers and your response, will be due by 11:55 p.m. each Sunday, and you'll be doing this weekly. On the first week, we have a very special post. It will be your introduction, and this will be for your participation grade. You will be expected to upload a picture to Moodle and then create a 3 to 5 slide PowerPoint introducing yourself to your peers and to your instructor. Each participant, after posting their picture and their PowerPoint, will respond to at least 2 introductions of your classmates. I would encourage you to respond to more and to look who you were assigned to be in your developmental challenges group with and get to know them as well. That will be helpful for that assignment that we'll discuss later. Next, we're going to discuss exams. You will have 2 exams. You'll have a midterm exam on week 4 and a final exam on week 8. The exams will be 20 true-false questions. Both the midterm and the final follow the same format. One question I am often asked is, can I stop in the middle of the exam and come back later and complete the exam? And the answer is yes. So for example, you've done question 1 through 7, but now you need to stop doing the exam. Can you come back? Will 1 through 7 be saved? And can you continue? Yes, you can. And you can change answers in 1 through 7 if you would like as well. You will have 1 integrative paper and 1 group work presentation. The integrative paper will be worth 20 points. It will be due week 6, and you are encouraged to write this paper with an older relative, 65 years or older, such as a parent, grandparent, aunt, or uncle. If an older relative is not available, please look for someone 65 years and older in your life. This can be a coworker, it can be a friend, and the assignment is laid out pretty well on the syllabus, so I'm going to have you read that. And like I said, in a further video, I will clarify more of that. The last assignment is the Developmental Challenges PowerPoint presentation. That's a group assignment. It will be worth 20 points, and it will be due week 8. You will work in online groups that will be assigned in week 1, and you will come up with a topic you are going to present on in week 3, or I should say by week 3. Some examples of topics that you can present on could include things such as a disease like cancer or MS. You could talk about parenting a child with disabilities. You can talk about caring for parents and children at the same time, commonly referred to as the sandwich generation. You could talk about end-of-life issues such as hospice. You could talk about different mental illnesses, including but not limited to things such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, or adult ADHD. You can talk about fertility issues, homelessness, alcohol or drug addiction. The topics will need to be approved by me, and no groups can do the same topic. So we are going to have different topics for each presentation so we can learn about a maximum of ideas in the class. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by email at lgleich, which is GLEICH at aurora.edu. You can contact me on my cell phone, which is area code 847-833-2907. I can be contacted on FaceTime, or we can use an Adobe Connect chat room to meet in. So I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you, and have a great time in class. Thanks. Bye.